Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with another video with those shaped card die sets by Creative Craft Products. I showed you 3 different shaped cards before this one. So if you missed any of them, I've done the gift, I've done the heart, and there's a beautiful cake shaped card. So if you missed any of them, I will link all of them below the video and maybe some of them at the end of this video, so you can check it out. So today I'm going to do this all dressed up and shaped card, and as you can see it's a beautiful dress, and I cut out the base already, so to show you that it opens like so side opening, and it has those beautiful embossed details on that dress, and that's the big die, and we can create different style of the dress. So I picked this one, or you can leave it as it is and you can create just a dress like so. We've got the bird as well, so you've got the bird, you've got the buckle, you've got the bow and the tail for the bow, and you've got 2 different tops, which, for example, I cut myself this one already, and you just adhere it like so, and of course you're going to have that bead showing at the back of your card. And there is also a sentiment, a very special occasion. That's the sentiment. You can snip into that, and you can, for example, keep a special occasion. So you can use this sentiment for different projects as well. So I cut out all the element, and I'm going to keep it quite simple. So let me move this aside and I will show you all the bits and pieces I cut out already. So these are the elements I'm going to use for this card. So I cut myself the dress, and I've got the top, which is going to be in a different color, and I thought I was just doing a dry run, and I thought that end is quite thin. So what I did, I traced around of this on a white card, and I'm going to glue it together, and then it's going to be easy for me if I want to add some gems, which I've got ready here. So let me put this one first. So I'm going to glue it together just to make it a bit stronger for myself, and I think it's going to be better once I start to put it into an envelope, because this card, actually I tested it already, and it fits 5x7 envelope, which is really handy because you don't have to create another envelope in a different size, which is I like making envelopes, but when I'm rushing and I need to do something very quickly, I don't like it that much. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add those gems, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add them off camera because I want to add them over here, and I'm going to use those bigger sizes here. I thought I want the dress to be really nice and sparkly, so I'm going to take that time and I'm going to adhere all of them nicely, and then I will show you how the dress will look like with all those gems. At first I was thinking to add only white pearls, but well, I like sparkly bits and pieces, so I found those and I really like using them. So what I'm going to do, I will just do it off camera. So I've added all those gems, and I think it looks really pretty. I like it. Maybe you are not keen on sparkly embellishments, but I like it a lot. So let me add here that dress, and then I'm going to add the top of that dress. I think I'm thinking to add it on 3D foam pads, but let me think a bit longer if it's actually a good move or not. So I will keep it very simple. You can create this card for many occasions. For example, if you want to invite your girlfriends for a party or something, you can create that. You can create invitations for birthday party for little girls or even teenage girls. So depending on your embellishments, you can create it for different people. And I think I'm going to add foam pads. I'm just trying to see. It will look more dimensional, and I think that's what I want to do. And let's see if it's going to look nice or not. We're going to see in a minute. So I'm adding a little bit here and there, and then we're going to see if it will look nice. At first, what I wanted to do, I wanted to add, and I was thinking to add two over here under that bodice, just to create a little bit more like a evening gown. But this time I'm going to keep it simple. Just trying to see if it's nice and straight. Yeah, and I actually like it the way it is like now, with this 3D effect. And I think I will add the sentiment. I wasn't sure about this, but I was thinking to maybe add it in the center of this card. But I think I will add it here, just to showcase that you can use all the elements, and you can create really beautiful card. So what I'm going to do, I think I will do exactly the same as with the gems. I will do it off camera, because as you can see, those letters are quite thin, and it takes time to do that. So this is my finished card. As you can see, I added that sentiment, and I really like the way it looks right now. I love the colors, I love the gems over here, the smaller on the top. It looks like a really nice diamond necklace. And I think it was a good move to add those 3D foam pads, because this way the card looks really nice. Let me test if the card stands up even with those extra layers and embellishments. Yes, it looks really cool. So you can create this as a card, as an invitation. It can be for little girl's birthday party or sweet 16 invitation for a party. There are lots of different things you can create with that, and I'm definitely going to try to add some fabric, like a lightweight fabric, just to give it a nicer look, maybe more for different occasion. It would be nice to have a silhouette of a man as well in that collection. Maybe they're going to do it, because that would be nice to have a dress and like a suit as well. So this one is all dressed up, shaped card dice set, which you see over here. And I'm going to include all the information below the video, so you can check all of them. As you probably have seen, I've done this one as well, the heart shape. I've done the gift as well. All are standing up really nicely, so I like those cards. And I think my favorite would be the cake. Actually, I'm not sure, because the heart is so nice, and it can be used for many occasions: birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's days, lots of different things, even as a thank you card for a teacher. Yes, lots of different things. So thank you so much for watching. As I said, I'm going to include all the links below the video, so you can check it out. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. Give me some likes, comments. Let me know which one is your favorite card, maybe which one you like the most from all those 4 I've done recently. Yes, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with my next video. Bye for now.